I'm Scarlett, the creator of Wonder Curl. In this video, I am going to share tips on caring for your low porosity, curly coily hair, which is also my hair. So I know all about the struggle. When your hair is low porosity, it feels like it doesn't want to absorb water or product. Add dense, curly hair and it could feel like a lot, but don't worry, I got you. Low porosity hair is also more hydrophobic, meaning it repels water than the other types of porosity. So you don't want to use moisturizing shampoos or conditioners. Instead, you want cleansing shampoos such as the clarifying charcoal shampoo bar and lightweight conditioners. The reason is low porosity hair can get product buildup easily, and shampooing your hair regularly not only will avoid buildup, but it will also help to open the cuticles so your hair can get all that water. Heavy conditioners will close your cuticle, which will make it harder for your hair to absorb your products. So instead, I like to use detoxifying clay cleanser as my conditioner. It has just enough slip for the detangling and leaving your hair conditioned without sealing your cuticles. The styling products I recommend are the moisturizing hair pudding and Get Set hair jelly. You want to make sure your hair is soft being wet. You want to find the right water to product ratio for your low porosity hair and work in sections. Once your hair has the desired look, then you want to either diffuse or sit under a hooded dryer. For smoother curls, I recommend the hooded dryer. Make sure you follow these tips and your low porosity hair will feel soft and defined for days. And if you want to get the best product recommendations for your hair based on the 4 pillars of hair, then head to wondercurl.com and take our free hair quiz. Thanks for watching.